Hey guys, my name is Connor, otherwise known as BlueDrake42, and today I am really excited to unveil something that we've been working on for a while and that I think is going to be the most important feature for RevoltGPT for years to come, if not forever. Introducing the desktop mode for RevoltGPT. Now, this is a lot more than just running RevoltGPT on your desktop, because the primary feature that this brings to the table is that it allows you to utilize any model that you can find on Hugging Face or anywhere else. I mean, let's search for one, Quen. Look at all of these models available to the public, open source. You can now download these, and instead of utilizing credits in order to generate generations, either for code or anything else, you can download models directly onto your own computer and then use those instead of the cloud models in order to build your applications. And by doing this, this effectively unlocks unlimited tokens, unlimited credits, allowing you to generate whatever you want without having to pay a subscription ever again. Now, if you want to pick this up, you can go to our pricing page and you can purchase the lifetime local edition for RevoltGPT. And this allows you to do exactly what it says. You will be able to use RevoltGPT without ever having to pay a subscription again. You will have access to every single open source model available on the internet, including uncensored models that are 100% private, that do not require tokens to use. This is effectively an unlimited plan for RevoltGPT. In this video, I am going to give you a brief overview of how RevoltGPT Local Edition works and how you can get started making applications by yourself using any open source model available on the internet. So, of course, if you already own the lifetime local plan, you have access to this tool. Simply go here and download Revolt Desktop. Once you have this installed, it will automatically update itself just like any other desktop application. Now, in order to utilize these unique features for RevoltGPT, you can go to the Desktop tab. As you'll notice, the rest of the interface is identical to the actual website. The only thing that is different and exclusive to the desktop version is this desktop tab, which opens up a whole bunch of functionality for the rest of the site. From the desktop tab, you can then look at the models that you already have installed, which, if you have just installed your RevoltGPT Desktop Edition, you will not have any models. So you can navigate over to the Discover page, where you can then search any publicly available model, which is currently available on Hugging Face, a popular website where all of the open source models from the entire AI community are currently stored. For instance, we'll download another version of Llama. Here is a Instruct GGUF 1 billion parameter model. We'll go ahead and we will download the F16 GGUF variation of this model. Click download, choose where to download the model to on your computer, and from here, it will automatically download and install this model to your computer for you to use. From here, you can look at every single aspect of this model, including where it's saved and any other parameters that you can configure for your local models installed to your own system. And once you have your models installed, you can then start using them to create applications. In order to create applications using local models, the process is very similar to how you normally create applications. We will create a new app. We will choose local. We will choose where on our system we are going to store this local application, since we're now developing not in the cloud, but on our own computer. So we can save this application wherever we want to save it. Then from here, all we have to do is name our application and also come up with a description. You can choose a template if you want, but this is entirely optional, and click Create. From here, simply click on the workspace, which will then load up your application, and you can start developing with any model, including cloud models. But local models will be listed at the top, and you can now freely switch between all of them. We wanted to keep this nice and simple, so that way anyone that has purchased the desktop local edition can continue utilizing cloud models if they so choose. From here, the app development workflow is pretty much identical to the app development workflow on the website. And if you want to playtest any of the applications that your AI has created, all you have to do is simply click the preview button on the file that you want to playtest. And it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions about how to utilize this new feature for RevoltGPT, feel free to join our Discord and ask for support. If you want to pick up this version of RevoltGPT and get started using local models today, you can click the link down in the description and visit the pricing page where you can purchase this for a one-time purchase. No subscription required. We hope that this is really going to be extremely valuable to a lot of you, as this effectively breaks you free of having to pay for subscriptions on any AI native application development platform. And we think that as we continue to iterate on this technology, it's only going to get better from here. Thank you for watching. Now go get started creating something.